Hey there, crypto beginners! So you've got $100 and you want to dive into the crypto world. Awesome news, you don't need thousands to get started. Here's a simple strategy to maximize your $100 investment. First things first, pick your exchange. Sign up on a beginner-friendly platform like Binance or Coinbase. These platforms make it super easy to convert your dollars into crypto. Next, diversify. Don't put all your $100 into just one coin. A good strategy is to split your money between a few solid options. Here's how. Put $50 into Bitcoin, BTC. This is the most stable and well-known cryptocurrency. It's a good idea to have some in your portfolio. Then $30 into Ethereum, ETH. The second largest crypto by market cap. It powers tons of projects. And finally, $20 into a smaller altcoin. This is where you can take a little risk. Look for coins with growth potential, but don't go all in. Keep an eye on trending coins with strong fundamentals. Another pro tip: dollar cost averaging. Instead of investing all $100 at once, break it down into smaller amounts over time. This helps protect you from market volatility. And lastly, stay patient. Crypto is volatile, so don't expect to turn your $100 into $1 million overnight. Be patient, and as your portfolio grows, you can reinvest profits or even add more to your portfolio when you feel comfortable. And there you go. Starting with $100 may seem small, but it's a great way to learn without taking huge risks. If you found this helpful, like and subscribe for more beginner tips on growing your crypto investments. Catch you in the next video.